everyone, this is Shivangi. A lot of people ask me to record my interview experience, my PhD interview experience at JNU. Actually, not a lot of people, but my friend Ankush asked me to, record this video for our YouTube channel. So this is going to be a very honest experience of mine. Let me tell you that I'm not an overachiever, not a topper. So if you are expecting this is going to be very inspirational for you, that how I cleared interview or the exam or net exam or JRF exam in my very first attempt. So no, it was not the case. Just expect the very honest, brutal reality of my experience. So I appeared for the JNU PhD interview through my net score. I was qualified in net only category, net and assistant professor category, and thankfully my percentile was good. That gave me an edge in the interview, as the interview is 70% your net score and 30% your interview, and it's the total is 100 marks. So 70% was my net score, that was 99.29 percentile, and when it was converted under 70%, it was 69 point something. And then about the interview, it was of 30 marks, so I got roughly 22-23 marks from that. And let me tell you that in the panel, not all professors are going to be there to take your interview, because the professor I was expecting he will be most interested in my topic, he was not there. And I lost all the hopes that if he will be taking me or not. In my interview panel, there were only 3 professors from the medieval faculty: Joy Pachwao, Ranjita Datta, and Professor Nazaf Haider. So I never contacted these professors, not the 4th one. I never contacted any of these, but the topic was slightly off. It didn't fall any of the research expertise of these professors which were there, and not the region of their expertise too. So I was not expecting that I will get selected. But the interview went on. They asked me to introduce myself. They asked my CGPA. Then they asked कि आपका टॉपिक क्या है, उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करो. I introduced it. Then they asked about Professor Nazaf directly jumped to the bibliography. He asked me about some primary sources, what is in it, and what primary sources I am going to utilize. He asked me questions about some Persian sources, and how my topic is basically on gender. So on gender, he asked me कि Persian language तो doesn't define, Persian language में तो he, she ये सब नहीं है, तो तुम कैसे जेंडर पे काम करोगे, कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये ही की बात हो रही है या शी की बात हो रही है. He asked me that, and also he was like कि sources तो है ही नहीं इस पे ज़्यादा, इस पे काम कैसे करोगे. And Joy asked me कि तुम्हारा मतलब she just picked out some theories, some words like representation and slavery and words like that, and she asked me some modern theories on it, like politics of representation, and what is Richard M. Eaton's point of view on slavery, and what are the recent works on slavery and gender theories. So she asked me these questions. I think Ranjita ma'am didn't ask me any questions because I did a seminar on this topic with her. So she basically knew that what I am trying to do and what I have done. And so yes, she didn't ask me any questions. And also these professors were very cooperative. they like a question that Joy ma'am asked me about some theory, and I was not able to understand it. I was not able to give answer to it. So Professor Nazaf simplified the question for me, and he himself gave some hints on the question, and it was very friendly interview. There was no pressure of it, but definitely I was nervous कि मुझे ये लेंगे भी कि नहीं या कंसिडर भी करेंगे कि नहीं. And yeah, it went for 15 to 20 minutes. It was, I think, second last interview. I waited for the whole day to go for my interview, but it was worthwhile. It was good. And from that day I decided till the result that I'm not going to be I'm not going to get selected. But somehow I did got selected. A lot of factors influenced it. A lot of factors worked in my favor, like my net score, or you can say my category, or you can say that that the topic or my answers or something like that. Maybe they saw the dedication for my research. So yeah, that was my PhD interview experience.